Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on disabling the passcode of your Apple Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. I'll show you how to do this both via your watch and your iPhone. On your watch, click the digital crown to open the App menu. Open the Settings app. In the Settings app, scroll down to Passcode and open it. Tap Turn Passcode off. Enter the current passcode to confirm you want to disable it. Your passcode will now be turned off. You can also disable your watch passcode via the Watch app on your iPhone. Scroll down to Passcode and then select Turn Passcode off. Enter the current passcode to confirm you want to disable it. Your passcode will now be turned off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.